Okay, topic number 4 is all about ratio, forhold in Danish. And ratio is all about sharing things out. So we've got an example here where we're going to divide some money out into shares, equal parts, and John is going to get 8 of those bits, Kelly is going to get 3 of those bits, and Christina is only going to get 1 of those bits. So that makes 12 shares, 12 bits in total, 8 plus 3 plus 1, and all of those 12 shares are equal sizes, but not everybody's going to get the same number of them. So just write that down, pause the film if you need to. So, in this problem there are $72 that are going to be shared out into those 12 bits. So just write that down. And this is what $72 looks like. And they're going to be shared out into 12 parts. So $72 divided up into 12 little piles. So how much in each pile? Each pile, each share has 72 divided by 12, $6. So you can write that down. Okay, so John gets 8 of those shares. So he gets eight of those little piles of $6. So 8 times $6 is $48. So he gets $48. Kelly gets 3 of those piles, 3 shares. So she gets 3 lots of $6. 3 times $6 is $18. And Christina gets 1 share. 1 times $6 is $6. And that adds up to the $72. So write that down. So mathematically we say that they shared the money out in the ratio 8 to 3 to 1. And here's how you might see that question set out in a book. So John, Kelly and Christina share $72 in the ratio 8 to 3 to 1. How much does each person get? So you work out that 8 to 3 to 1 makes 12 shares in total, because you've got 8 bits, 3 bits and 1 bit. So John gets 8 of those shares, so he gets 8/12 of $72. 8/12 of $72. So you do 8 on the top, 12 on the bottom for 8/12, and then the $72 on the top. 8 times 72 divided by 12 makes $48. Kelly gets 3/12 of $72 because she gets 3 out of the 12 shares. So you do 3 on the top, 12 on the bottom for 3/12, and then the $72 on the top. 3 times 72 divided by 12 makes $18. And then Christina gets 1/12 of $72, and that's $6. So you can write that down. Here's another question that you might see one similar to. It's all about the shapes, the angles in a shape, in a four-sided shape, a quadrilateral, and they're going to be divided in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. So the angles A, B, C and D in a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. What size are they in degrees? So first of all, you work out how many shares you've got. If you're going to divide them into parts that are 1, 2, 3 and 4 shares, that makes a total of 10. So you're going to split it into 10 shares. Now, what are you going to split into 10 shares? Well, you've got 360 degrees in the whole thing because it's a four-sided shape. So you're going to split 360 degrees into 10 shares. So the first angle, it's one share of the 10, so it's 1/10 of 360 degrees, and that comes to 36 degrees. The second angle is going to be two shares out of the 10, so it's going to be 2/10 of 360 degrees, so that's 72 degrees. The third angle is three shares out of the 10, so it's going to be 3/10 of 360 degrees, and that makes 108 degrees. And then the last one, 4/10 of 360 degrees, makes 144. So if you add those up, 36, 72, 108, 144, they will come to 360 degrees, and here is what the shape actually looks like. So you can write that down, and then there are some questions to practice on.